During bibliometric analysis using VOSviewer, a major challenge that people do face is when a particular entity is repeated into different entities or splitted into different entities. For example, if you look at this visualization map, you'll see that England is treated as a country or an entity. Scotland is also treated as an entity. And in bibliometric analysis, if you split UK or United Kingdom into England, Scotland, Wales, and North Ireland, it will give a false information. For example, you want to know the leading countries in a particular research area. Instead of getting maybe UK to be 1,000 publications, you end up splitting it into Scotland, Wales, Ireland, and England. And that means the total value will drop. So in the ranking, United Kingdom will drop, which will give you a false information. Okay, so the problem now is, how do we ensure that these components are merged into one so that we can get the actual picture of what is going on? This is what I'll be explaining in this video. Okay, so the first thing you do is to go to the raw file or the exported file. So this is the file. You don't need to copy the header, just copy the country. Highlight the country. So after highlighting the country, you copy. But before you paste, you open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and you type the following prompt. I need to format country names or whatever you want to format and merge some to create a thesaurus file for VOSviewer. Now you go back to the table of countries and highlight everything and copy. Nice. Control A, then Control C, or just copy there. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Okay. So after pasting, this, then you can give it a command. You need to tell ChatGPT what you want to do. In the command, you need to mention the countries you want to merge, or the entities you want to merge, or the names you want to correct. So in this case, I want Scotland, North Ireland, Wales, England to be merged or to be converted to United Kingdom. Then Turkey should be the combination of Turkey and Turkey, because this Turkey actually appeared in the table. Yeah, there. So this appeared in the table, and this means having Turkey and Turkey as two different entities, we split the performance of Turkey. It will lower the performance, so it's better to merge the two together. Okay, so we'll go back there. So Turkey and Turkey should be merged as Turkey. You can just use this prompt. Okay. Then People Republic China should be replaced as just China. Now, the command or the prompt is provide a command I can copy and paste into Notepad to create the thesaurus file. So let's see what ChatGPT will do. So ChatGPT created this. So let us see what ChatGPT has done. ChatGPT will replace this Trinidad Tobago to Trinidad and Tobago, and it changes U Arab Emirate to United Arab Emirates. What again? Let's see. Yeah, Turkey. Change it to Turkey. Scotland to United Kingdom. Wales to United Kingdom. England to United Kingdom. So all you just need to do now is copy. Just click on copy. So once you copy this, then you open a notepad and paste it there. Okay, so this is your notepad file. Let's go back and see if that is correct. Okay, now you need to copy, you need to save these files. Save as. Make sure that the format is text format. Okay, now you can save it. So this is an existing one I have used before, so I can just replace that. Now let us test the thesaurus file if it will work. Remember, this is people are China, England, Scotland. They are all showing as two different entities. So let us see if this will work. So when you get to VOSviewer, click on create a map based on bibliographic data. Next, choose this option. Next, Web of Science. If you are using data from Web of Science, you choose that. If you are using data from Scopus, you choose that. Whatever your source of data, so you choose any of this. My data is from Web of Science, which I have already done before. So if I have not done this before, this box here will be empty. So you need to open this and browse, locate the file, and select. Alright, so I have already passed this stage. So you click on next. When you get to this stage, this is the stage you will use the thesaurus file. You can see this place, VOSviewer thesaurus file. You click on browse to locate it. Okay, so this is the file. I name the file as country thesaurus. You can name it anything, but always make sure it is in text format. Then you OK it. Now you have imported the thesaurus file. Then click on next. Oh, there's a mistake there. You need to start the header. Start the header with this. Label replace by. Label replace by. So let's save this. Save. So let's try it again if this will work. Okay, so you can see that works. Now China has changed to China. Let us see what happens to UK, United Kingdom. Now you have United Kingdom. You can see now it's big. Instead of small small nodes, you have a combined Scotland, Wales, Ireland, and England to form United Kingdom. Now this is the true picture of the map. Okay, I hope this is a useful video, because many people have been complaining about this challenge in bibliometric analysis using VOSviewer, where data or items split into two different entities. To do this, just follow my step. ChatGPT has been very helpful in recent times in research, so you don't really need to stress yourself. You don't need to do much. All you just need to do is look for the raw data, copy, highlight the raw data, go to ChatGPT, and just tell ChatGPT what you want to do, and ChatGPT will just provide a copyable data for you. So you just need to copy it, open a notepad, and paste it there. So after pasting it, then you save it. Always remember, you save it as text format. And the encoding, I forgot to mention, the encoding, you can use this encoding ANSI, or you can use UTF-8. So any of these two will work. Then you save it. After saving it, then you go to VOSviewer and you just create what you want to create, and everything will be effected or implemented. Very nice. I want to reduce the number, it's too crowded. You can reduce the number. So the thesaurus file is there. If you increase the number of publications, then the total number will reduce. So total number of publications is 200. So I have 31 countries. So let us see what it will look like now. Okay, it looks beautiful now. Now you see United Kingdom is standing on its own. No more England or Scotland or Wales. So you just have one United Kingdom. And also you have Turkey. It's not Turkey here and Turkey. It's just one Turkey. So your visualization map becomes very neat and well presentable. Okay. You can do some editing. You can use black background if you want. If you don't want, you can remove it. You can use a rectangular frame, or you leave it as circle. You can reduce the variation or increase it, the note size. The font, you can increase the font or reduce the font. So you can do whatever you want to do. You can rotate under analysis. You can rotate. You can flip horizontally, or you can flip it vertically. So you can do anything you want to do. You can check the density visualization or the overlay visualization. So this is what I have for you today. Once you are done, all you just need to do is to save your file. Once you are done, you save. I will flip this again because the linking line is cutting. So let me flip it again. You can also check the number of clusters in the items. So you have one cluster and it will show all the items under each clusters. The second clusters, the third clusters, up to 6 clusters. Each of the clusters are represented with unique colors. You can see they have different colors. So this is what I can take for today. Watch out for more videos on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. If this video was helpful, you can drop a comment to tell me what you think about this video. See you next. Bye.